Okay, guys, the kitten has been playing with this for a little while, and guess what I found about her? Hold on, let me get this out of her. Okay, 3, 2, 1, come on. That is amazing. That is amazing. Oh. That is amazing, right, guys? Oh, get it. Okay, let's do it one more time, okay? Hey, get. Hold on, get it. Okay, there you go. 3, 2, 1, hey. She got my hand. It's crazy, huh? She's an NBA kitty. NBA kitty. Come on. This is amazing. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share on Twitter. And always come back on the next video. And oh yeah, and anyways, this is Charlie, okay? For those of you, the Highlander kitty. For those of you who don't know her. And for those who doesn't know me, I'm Jackrabbit1215. And make sure you like, subscribe, share on Twitter. And she's also 4 months, okay? So, wait, hold on. Let's do this one more time, okay? All right. Oh. She got it. Okay, that wraps it up, and see you later. See you ladies. Bye-bye.